this is Dr. Jamie Skipper from Elevation Health Consulting. We're here at the Digital Health Studio at CES 2020. I have the privilege here of having Lynnette Cooke from CanChar Health. She's the global CEO of the health division there. Thank you for joining us, Lynnette.
Thank you, Jamie. It's great to be here.
So tell me what CanChar Health is all about.
CanChar is a research and consulting firm, and the health division is aimed at aggregating and analyzing disparate types of health data, all aimed at putting the patient at the center, illuminating the patient as a full person.
Well, that's wonderful, and having the patient at the center is so key. It's been part of so many conversations, especially lately, and it's a really important concept for the community at CES to bring at large. So tell me a little bit more about what your thoughts are and what's going on in the vision and mission of CanChar Health in terms of that precision medicine, person-centric use of big data.
Yes. Well, as you mentioned, precision medicine. So, big data is, at a simpler way of defining it, is just saying that if we have more information to analyze, we may be able to help patients maybe prevent an illness from coming on if we understand more about their attitudes and their behaviors and their genomic profiles or their history. And then if a patient is diagnosed with the chronic ailment, data can be used to help understand the best treatment protocol for that patient, maybe mitigate risk around treatment that they might be taking, and just really understanding and helping them to manage their disease throughout the course of various treatment or as the disease progresses.
At CanChar Health, you're doing a lot of analytics. Tell us about some of the products that you might be excited about that you're just rolling out or that you have coming down the pike that's really going to be a game changer.
Right. Well, we just recently launched a product called Claritas, and this is a groundbreaking methodology that we have where we're able to aggregate disparate data sets. We're able to bring together our own data that we have, which is patient-reported outcomes, and that gives us information on the patient's attitudes and what they perceive is happening with their health. And then we combine that with clinical information that we're able to get out of electronic health records. And then we also add behavioral information from claims data.
That's great.
So normally companies have used these data in silos, but We've been able to take our Claritas approach to bring it together, and it really gives a much more holistic understanding of the patient.
That is just the key of the future of healthcare, is to look at the patient as a whole, and to bring those data sets together is really exciting in terms of claims, clinical, and now that PRO data is really great. And thank you so much for sharing that with us.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining us here at the Digital Health Stage Studio.
Thank you. Thanks, Jamie.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And this is Dr. Jamie Skipper from Elevation Health Consulting at the Digital Health Stage at CES 2020.